How to fix location not working in Uber Eats app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So is your Uber Eats app not showing your correct location or stuck loading your address? Well, in this video, I'll walk you through quick and easy ways to fix location issues in Uber Eats app, whether you are using Android or iPhone. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, let's start with the step one, that is to check location permissions. So here, just tap and hold on the app icon, and here from the pop-up menu, just tap on app info. And once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to the Uber Eats app settings page. Now here you need to make sure that the location permissions are enabled for Uber Eats. So from here simply scroll down and tap on app permissions. And here check for the location permissions is enabled or not. So here if it was off, you can just turn it on and try reopening the app. And with that, moving forward to the step 2, that is to turn on device location GPS. So here check that your phone location services or the GPS is turned on. So here you just need to pull down your quick settings, and from here you simply have to enable your location options. And here if it was off, then Uber Eats can't detect where you are. And now with that, moving forward to the step 3, that is to clear the Uber Eats app cache. So here again simply long press on the Uber Eats app, and from the pop-up menu just tap on app info. And now here once you're inside app settings, just tap on the clear data option, which can be seen in the bottom right corner of the screen, and once you tap on it, a pop-up menu will appear. From that menu just tap on clear cache and confirm it by tapping on OK. And once you're done with that, you can simply reopen the app and check the location again. And now with that, moving forward to the step 4, that is to update the app. So here simply open the Play Store app on your phone, and now here once you're inside the app, just tap on the search icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen, and from here simply search for Uber Eats app, and here check if there is any update available or not, because outdated version can cause bugs including the location error. And now with that, moving forward to the step 5, that is to restart your phone. So here if none of that worked, then you can try restarting your device, because a simple reboot can often fix the temporary glitches. And with that, one of these methods should fix your location issues on Uber Eats. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.